Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Celsius tip-up. First, select a good location on the ice, ensuring it's flat and stable. Clear away any snow or ice chips from your chosen spot to prevent interference. Next, take your fishing line and securely attach it to the tip-up spool. Make sure to leave enough slack so you can easily adjust your bait depth later. This initial setup is crucial for a successful and hassle-free fishing experience. Now, let's get your bait ready. Carefully attach your chosen bait, whether it's a minnow or a lure, to the hook. Once your bait is on, slowly lower it into the ice hole. You'll want to set your bait at the depth where you expect fish to be, often just a few inches off the bottom. Finally, adjust the line tension on the tip-up to ensure the flag doesn't trip too easily, but is still sensitive enough for a bite. With your bait set, it's time to deploy. Carefully place the tip-up directly over the ice hole, making sure it's stable and won't easily tip over. Next, set the flag mechanism. This usually involves placing the trip wire under a specific arm, ready to spring up when a fish pulls the line. Now, the waiting game begins. Keep a close eye on your flag. Any sudden movement means a fish is on. The flag is up. This is the exciting part. When you see the flag, move quickly but calmly to your tip-up. Gently grab the fishing line, feeling for the fish. Begin to hand line your catch, pulling the line in a steady motion. Be careful not to yank too hard and guide the fish through the hole. With a little patience, you'll soon have your fish safely on the ice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.